Hey guys, what's going on? Today it's just going to be Drew and I, and we are going to be heading down to the normal area, like the Savers Bank area, and well, probably doing some skateboarding. Drew, you couldn't land a couple ollies today?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to be doing some new tricks probably, and I'm going to see if I can get kickflips back. Because for all of you who don't know, when I sprained my ankle, I just gotten kickflips, and I just started to land them more and more consistently. But then I did that, and I think I lost the muscle memory or something. I just can't do them anymore, so let's see if I can get those back today. You just gotta get the timing down, then I think you can get it. Okay guys, so we made it down to the place that we were going to be skating at today, and there's actually like a small type of mini ramp over there, so until we can get one built, which is actually going to be a video coming up either Thursday or Friday, maybe even Saturday or Sunday, I'm not really sure, but we got the materials, I just need to put it together. But for now, we're going to be skating around this area. There actually are a pretty good couple of spots here, and I'm going to teach Drew how to drop in. So let's get right to it. And then just... Pretty fun, right? So much fun. Oh! Rock the regular.
Dang it!
Oh, I haven't lost my... Oh, come on.
Speed!
Holy crap, dude! If you can just land that. What Drew's going to do right now, he's going to try to do a practice step to all-laying off curb. And that is almost the same thing as the firecracker, but you pop a little bit and slide a little bit just so you don't really fully commit to it. Which, I mean, generally not fully committing is a bad idea, but in this situation it might just work. So we just got kicked out. One of the people in the bank, which... I mean, granted, we really should be skating in front of the bank anyway, at least not this time. We're still kind of rush hour, so we'll probably come back later and skate here.
Hey, what about this?
Yeah, for now, we'll just got another curb, and, well, we're just going to ditch that spot for now.
Yeah. Check, pop on my heart.
Nice. So, quick update, I'm starting to get my kickflip foot back. Super excited because kickflipping is so much fun.
I'm gonna just go send it all the way out the curb.
Alright.
I'm just gonna send it.
Okay, so Drew's gonna try and ollie off this curb. I'm not sure how that's gonna go because he's not great at landing moving ollies yet. But we'll see. There you go. Ready? Plant your foot on the front truck like that, and then push. By the way, your board's backwards. Yep. So right now what we are going to do, we are going to go to the green light driving school, which actually I have this week. And I just went to my first class today. It wasn't too painful, but that's not the point.
Oh, you had a skateboarding class there?
Or not a skateboard class, but a first driver's ed class there. So what we're going to do is we are going to go back there, and there's a really awesome, I want to say 3-stair type of thing, but we're going to go see if we can hit it and see if Drew over here can get down a cool trick. Dude, you good?
Yeah.
That was the single worst triple firecracker of my life. You good?
Did they see me eat shit?
Yeah, dude. So you hard, man. Dude, you're so close. You good? Lean back a little too much on that, and you didn't commit. That's why your foot slipped off. So close. Yes, Drew, yes! Okay, so Drew just landed it. First one. And now he's gonna try it again. Yeah, man, nice. Dude, that was the best one yet. Alright guys, so that's gonna be all for today. This video was really fun to make. We're gonna be probably doing this a lot more too.
Tonight too, right?
Yep, we're gonna probably shoot another video tonight. We've got a new spot that I just thought of. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We're gonna be uploading all summer. So we'll see you then.